Hello students. Now today we will do the class 12th informatics practices practical list, practical file, how to write it in your practical file. So since it is online, you have to write at home and practice in mobile, laptop or desktop. So I'm going through the revised list, 2021 list as given by CBSE. You can see here CBSE has already given here 15 programs on pandas, 4 on matplotlib and 15 SQL queries. And the list also is being provided here what you have to write in practical copy. This list is already given. So here 15 programs of pandas. The first is create a panda series from a dictionary of values, ND array and a scalar value. So already we have gone through these programs. So I'm just revising it and you know how to write in practical copy. First you will write this question, that is aim, and then the logic, which logic you are applying, and the programs we have done, and on white page you will write the output of that program. And if you are just pasting the screenshot, then the screenshot of the program and the output you will paste in Word after the question. So here the first question is create a panda series from a dictionary of values, ND array and a scalar value. Second one is given a series, print all the elements that are above the 75th percentile. So one by one let us see the programs. Now this list, complete list, I am putting in the description, so you can note down this complete list as well as the project work also which you have to do using CSV or database file. So either you can simply create a CSV file and generate the appropriate charts to visualize, or MySQL. This connectivity already we have done. I will share this link also of the video so that you can complete your project work also. Now here is the marking for your examination, CBSE practical exams. Now I'm showing you each program one by one, all the programs. So first one is to create a series. Now here you can see using a series, simply a empty series is being created, and then using a list, and from a list user friendly you have asked the user to enter 3 names, and then you are here creating a series. So this is one method. Second is dictionary. It was written there dictionary, ND array and scalar values. So here you can see a dictionary is there, and using a dictionary we have created a data frame. So this is actually a data frame. Let's see first the series. So here this is a series. Now how to create a series using dictionary, then ND arrays, so all are given here. This is a menu driven program. In one program only all are there. So here you can see using a dictionary, either direct values you can give and then you can create a series, or you can ask from the user to enter the values and then create a series. So dictionary, you can see so many methods are there using a dictionary. So all of these are menu driven. I will show you after running it how it will be like. Now next is your ND arrays. Now for ND array, what you have to do at the beginning, you have to import numpy as NP, and then np.array, you have to create the array, and then pt.series. So these already we have done. You have to write like this in your copy. So this is your program. You write it in your copy, as well as you have to write the output also. So here the import, we have to import here numpy. So pip install numpy and pip install pandas. So previously I have shown you the output. The same output you will write in command.prompt. I will go and just I will do the pip install, and then all the outputs will be displayed. Now the next programs were arithmetic operators. So let me show you first in Jupyter all your programs. So here you can see the first program already you have done. Next is your slicing in series. So in series, the start value, colon the end value, and colon the step value. So all the different slicing procedures are there. You can pause and you can just note down these procedures. So there are different slicing procedures are given here. So these slicing you have to write. Now next is here to create a data frame. I'm showing you the programs. Already I have shown you the videos. Now the link of all the videos, I will create a playlist and then I will share here. Now how to create a data frame? You can see here the dictionaries are there and using this value. So your first question of data frame was using the years and sales value. You have to create a data frame. So this is your question, and so this program you will note it down and the output you will note it down. Now the remaining questions are CSV to data frame also we have done here. So using read CSV, we will read from a CSV file, and using to write in CSV file the contents of a data frame, we will use here to CSV, to underscore CSV to write, and for reading we have used here read CSV. So this also I will share the videos. Now the remaining one is, here you can see the arithmetic operations, all the arithmetic operation, mathematical operations like add, then R add will do the same thing in reverse also. If you add it, the value will give you the same. Then subtract, multiplication, divisions. So these are your arithmetical operations or mathematical operations. Now next programs are your head and tail. This also we have done. If you don't mention the argument, then 5 values, head means from the top and tail means from the bottom. So if it is a series, then like this is a series, so you can see from the top it will show the values. If it is only head, then 5 values. If it is head 2, then 2 values, and tail will be from the bottom, it will show. So these are all the pandas questions. So pandas playlist, I am just showing it. Now next will be your, so first 15 question of pandas it is written. So all these pandas questions you have to write. Next the pyplot question 4 you have to write, and then the MySQL or database management 15 queries it is written here in this. 15 programs of pandas, 4 of matplot, and 15 SQL queries. So this list I am sharing, and all the program playlist I am sharing in the description. Start writing. If you find any problem, then we will discuss those problems. So thank you. Have a nice day.